Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Welcome back, everyone, and buckle up while you're at it, because this should be a doozy here this evening. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
Both teams lined up in the middle. We are ready to get things underway. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Takes the feed from his netminder. Carries it across the line. Back to the point it goes. Puts it towards the net, and that carries off a stick. USA's got a hold of it along the wall. Here they are on the attack. He scores! Patrick Kane!
No way sometimes for the goalie to catch up to the pass. It's too quick. It's one-timed into the net.
Team USA scored first. I don't think the anthem singer's even off the ice yet.
This is the plan. Quick start. I don't think anybody thinks it's going to happen this fast.
Bufflin's carrying it ahead. Denies him on the play. Picked up along the wall by Jones. Point shot. Makes the save with the trapper.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Team Kazakhstan's looking to break out of their own end. At center ice now, he grabs the puck. Nice pass. Into the corner. Move to the middle, and the defenders come up with the puck. Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Forces the turnover and comes up with the puck. Knocked away. And he slides it quickly to Pavelski. Takes the feed. And that one's broken up. Up along the wing. With possession along the wall. Referee signals penalty coming up here with the delay. There's the whistle. Let's get the call from the official here. I'd say that's a pretty good definition of charging.
Yeah, it is, James. I mean, he came from too far away, finished the check with too much force.
Team Kazakhstan sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
There have been times over the last couple of weeks where this power play looks great, other times not so good. But this is a key moment in this game, a chance to tie it up with the man advantage.
And manages to clear the zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Pass back to the point. Receives the pass. Here he is in front. Takes control of the puck. USA's got possession while undermanned. Trying to gain separation. Big time save. Advantage goalie on this one.
Sometimes the goalie takes the advantage by keeping really still. Don't make the first move. He did it perfectly.
Good defensive effort to poke it away. Feeds it over to Suter. Gets it out of his own end. And the goalie leaves his crease to play the puck. Time winding down here. One last chance with this man advantage.
They've spent too much time going up and down the ice. They got to get it into the zone quickly.
Team USA's got a hold of it against the wall. And a big kill keeps the one-goal lead intact. We're back to even strength.
Oh, they're going to rue that one. A chance to even the score here. They didn't get it done. And we go back to even strength. Oh, sometimes lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
USA's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Into the offensive end now. From behind the net. Pulverizing hit. He got all of that one.
That's going to feel tomorrow like he was in a car crash today.
That was a 9 on the Richter scale. Oh, wide of the net.
You can go games without a chance from here.
Glides along the blue line. Gaudreau's got it against the boards. Penalty coming up as the whistle stops the play. And he's off to the box for 2 for tripping.
Not much of an argument there. A stick between the player's feet.
Team USA's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
They've worked on the power play a lot at practice over the last couple of days. This is their first one tonight, and they'll want to execute what they've worked on, which is to win the draw and start moving the puck.
Matthews looks around. Hangs onto the puck. Here's a chance right out in front. Kazakhstan's got a chance to work the transition game now shorthanded and manages to clear the zone. Angles it over to Besser. And now he moves it quickly to Matthews. Out front, right in front. Oh, that close from putting it in.
Things happen so quickly. He wants to deliver that puck quickly and accurately. He only got half of it right.
Game of inches. Slides the puck to Kane. Puts it to the front of the net. Stopped by the goaltender. USA still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. With the stop. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves it quickly over to Eichel. Centering pass. Right in the slot, and they can't connect. Gets it out of his own end. Team USA's gained possession along the boards. Kessel's got it on the offensive end. Here's a chance. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck in their own end. Plays the puck up ahead. Puck picked up by Jones. Jones setting up against the wall. Jones plays it against the boards. Quick feed to Eichel. Tees it up from the back end. Blocked in front. Moves the puck along the half wall. Maintains possession. Great chance in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Shoots it just wide. Slides the puck down low. And he slides ready. Sends the pass over. Kazakhstan's got the puck now. Takes it across the blue line. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Slides the puck over. Looks to set up along the point. Moves the puck up to Pacioretty. Sends a pass over. Kessler's got the puck. Kessler's going to play the puck behind the cage. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a short pass to Kessler. Holds the puck at the line. Takes the feed at the back end. And that one's broken up. Over the line they come. They've got numbers to his teammate. And he gets pummeled.
He tried to protect himself by getting his stick up, but he didn't get it up far enough. It got rattled out of his hands. Now he's got to chase it down.
Team Kazakhstan's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Gets it to the other point. Handles the puck. Kazakhstan's got the puck along the boards. Here they come on the attack. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone. Takes the pass. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Taken along the wall by Besser. Feeds it down low. Now a quick pass to Jones. And it's a quick pass to Besser. Besser's going to play it against the half wall. Eichel's gliding the puck along the line. From the slot. And that goes off a player. And makes the save.
He's sharp on this one. Out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
Through center along the wing. Moves it up through the middle from the right. Moves it around along the half wall. Pass across to Kane. Kane's got it across the line. Here's the pass. Big time stop there. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. USA's got the puck behind the net. Long reach breaks up the momentum. And now he angles it across to Matthews. Takes the feed. Move to the middle. Here he is, wrists it on net. Gets in front of it.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
More than half the period has expired. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Pavelski's won the draw. Quick pass to Van Riemsdyk. And that's broken up with a stick in front. From the right side, he goes to the middle of the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. And the puck leaves the zone. Team USA's got a hold of it along the wall. Here's a shot, comes up with the stop. Getting into the later stages of this period, 1-0 the score. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Snaps one here in the slot. Oh, what a save in front. Van Riemsdyk swooping in on the attack. There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside. USA's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. And that's intercepted. Kane's got it in the offensive zone. Centered out in front. And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play by covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move.
Team USA's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. Matthews has won the draw. And now it's grabbed by Falk. Turns it away.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Grips it and rips it. Backhander. Stones him in front. USA's got the lead here late in this first period. Matthews is quick on the draw. And now he moves it to Carlson. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line.
Kane's dangerous in the offensive zone. He's got it now, and he's already got the go-ahead goal.
Moves the puck. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Nice pass. Carries it in. Looks to set up at the point now. Referee's got his hand up, signaling a delayed penalty. And the puck stopper tags his man to get the extra attacker on the ice. And the officials stop the play. Let's see what the call is. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
Well, they've gotten themselves to within one. Now they've got a power play opportunity to try and even the score. The best power... Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
Wheeler's got it into offensive territory. Moves it to McDonough. There's the whistle, and this power play will come to an end as another man's off to the box. Pretty easy call to make for hooking right here.
Well, he gets a stick around his waist, then he stops skating. It's almost like he's advertising for the penalty. A
little more room out there with a little 4-on-4.
Puck control is critical on a 4-on-4 as the game is right now. Face-off holds greater importance to me when you're down a man on each side.
18 minutes, 15 seconds.
Now he takes it over the line. Wrists one, and the goaltender makes an easy glove save.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Team USA's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Good job tangling up his opponent here. First period almost in the books here, nearing the final 60 seconds. Carries it across the line.
First period.
And that one's broken up. Takes the feed. And he slides it quickly to Kessel. Here's an odd man rush. Receives the pass. Wide of the net. Picked up along the boards by Suter. Takes a shot and a great save. Kessel's been tripped up and we got a penalty coming up here. Time for the official to pass down his sentence. Tripping is the call. Did he sell or is that the right one in your mind?
I think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed and the stick gets into his feet.
Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again.
Team Kazakhstan.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Oh, wow! What a save! USA's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And with just seconds to spare, they get a goal here to close things out.
You got to look at it from both ways. That's a real kick in the pants for the team that gave up the goal. But what a boost of energy for them to score this late in the period. Really nice play. Quick pass on the tape and into the net. So quickly the goalie can't get closed up and make the save.
Team USA's lead now extends to 2 as they make their way back to center ice here.
Probably a little surprising it's not more than 2, James. They've had the majority of shots on goal and the majority of the dangerous chances.
The first frame is complete as the horn sounds, ending the first 20 minutes of play. It's 2-0 after the opening frame. Pretty good start for one side, not so much for the other.
Hey fans, be sure to get your season tickets now at this year's playoff locations and prices. Pay the regular season ticket price for rounds 1 through 3. That offer is available.
Still lots of hockey still to come, so get ready here on EA Sports.
Next season. Not by section 144 on the console.
Second period set to get underway. USA's power play gets back to work here as we are underway in the period. They win the draw. And now he moves it quickly to Kane. Loses possession after he takes a little hit. And they'll dump it in. Team USA's got the puck along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Besser. And now it's over to Kane. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Set it out in front, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. And manages to clear the zone. USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Kane's carrying it ahead. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Moves it quickly over to Besser. Here's a chance in front. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper. Quick feed to Matthews. Scores! And the power play strikes again.
James, they've been working on this in practice for the last little while. It's come through big for them tonight. Oh, I like the way the power play went at it here. They moved the puck around, they had shots, they retrieved the puck, they outworked the penalty killers till eventually they're able to cash in.
Team USA's performance has to have their coach smiling down the bench. Ray, what are you seeing?
I guess he smiled a little bit. Coaches never relax, but how could he not be pleased with this? They're running a shutout, and they're running up the score at the other end.
Sends the pass over. Quick shot. He scores!
2 goals on the night for him. They've really been effective forechecking, a couple of breaks, and now he's got 2. Oh, I thought he had this, James. He got a big chunk of it, but it just slowly trickled past him and into the net.
USA's brought it tonight. They absolutely have dominated here, especially with the goal scoring.
They've been faster, they've played with more skill, and they are filling the net. What a fun night to play in.
Here's a chance, a 2-on-0. Oh, and puts it off the crossbar. Had the goalie beat up high, but not the bar.
7 seconds.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Kudrow's got it along the wing.
Kane's eyes are looking for 3. He's got 2 in his back pocket. Dangerous player now.
Right up front. Here's a backhand. Misses the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
Right to the middle. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Now a quick pass to Fulton. Here's a blast. That's blocked. Grabs the puck here at the blue line. A chance in front. Knocked away. Takes it across the blue line. Here's a short pass to Pacioretty. With possession along the wall. Lets it go. And that one's stopped. Team USA's been the more aggressive team offensively. Look at the shot clock and just look at the score. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. Picks it off in the offensive end. Quick pass to Pavelski. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck. Up along the wing. Sends the cross-ice pass. Through center along the wing. Look out, a 2-on-1. Scores! It's in the back of the net.
Actually, James, it's amazing to me how many times an odd man rush gets screwed up. They deliver this one perfectly, and they put one on the board.
USA's quickly filling up the highlight reel shows for later this evening, Ray.
They are, even though it's in the second period still, they have scored almost at will tonight.
16. James Van Riemsdyk.
Wrist shot from the slot. A rocker off the blocker.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
47 seconds.
Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves it to Van Riemsdyk. Van Riemsdyk's got the puck in his own zone. Wheeler's got it against the boards. And it's a quick pass to Jones. Puts it on net. And look at that after the whistle here. Clearly trying to goad him into something.
Yeah, or hurt him. That's a pretty good slash. Van Riemsdyk's turning this challenge down. That's not part of his game.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
Once you get a power play goal early in a game, you start to feel pretty good about yourself. Now you get another opportunity. You feel like you're going to score for sure.
Turns it away on the slap shot.
5 minutes, 47 seconds.
Team USA's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Here's an opportunity. Oh, what a good opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off, so he'll be a little frustrated as he heads back up ice.
USA's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Puts it on net from the point, and that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Makes the save. Team USA's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Makes the save with the glove. USA's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Matthews wins it in the offensive zone. Hammers one from the point. Denies him. He got all of it. Team USA's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Handles the pass from the right side. Fires it into the offensive zone. USA's gained possession along the boards. Kessel's got it on the offensive end. Slides it back to the blue line. And he slides it quickly to Kessel. Slides the puck over. And now he moves it quickly to put it off the post. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Quick pass across to Pavelski.
It doesn't really matter that the power play didn't score. They've got such a nice lead. But I'll tell you, as a guy that made a living on the power play, I wanted to score every time I was out there.
And that's picked off. Moves it quickly over to Jones. Dumps it into the O-zone. Slides it quickly to Oshie. Sends a pass over. Kazakhstan's looking to break out of their own end. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes a hit. He goes down to the ice and coughs up the puck. Off the glove. Team USA's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. And they're off to the races for the loose puck. Look at the wheels as icing is waved off.
He anticipated that loose puck. He got to the hash marks first, wins the race, and negates the icing.
Completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
USA's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And the long-range shot goes off target. Over the line they come. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the feed at the point. Scores! I think that went off the defender.
That's just bad luck. I mean, I don't know what else he can do. He's got to stick down in good defensive position. The puck deflects off it, and it ends up in his net.
Team Kazakhstan's got one here in the second. They need many more to follow, though.
Yeah, but they've got to start somewhere, I guess. Something positive, something to build on, but it's been a pretty rotten game for them so far.
Puck scooped up by Kane. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. And he slides it quickly to Goudreau. Handles the puck. He got all of that one. Along the half wall with the puck. Team USA's got control of it now from their own end. They've got the defense outnumbered. Quick shot, stopped by the goaltender. Oh, and another big stop.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close, he takes away any room.
Throws it in. USA's got the puck along the boards. Lets it fly. Shuts him down. Battling for it along the boards. And a heads-up kick pass over to his teammate. Bishop's taking it from his own end.
Carlson's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Team USA's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Eichel's won it off the faceoff. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Handles the pass from the right wing. Besser's got the puck. Rocks him. Just wide. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here.
Eichel's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
USA's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Puck dumped in. Team USA's got a hold of it along the wall. Looks to get the puck over to Eichel. Besser's going to play it against the half wall. Back at the point, they set it up. Takes the pass. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Scores! Jack Eichel! Blackjack delivers!
This is terrific work. They stayed on the forecheck even after they had the initial couple of shots. They worked to get the puck back. Eventually, they break them down and score a goal.
USA's offensive onslaught continues. What are you seeing down at ringside, Ray?
Domination. They've been the better team for most of this night. Now they're in such a large lead, it's very comfortable.
Here they come on the attack. Moves it around along the half wall. Handles the puck at the point. Oh, a clutch save! Quick feed to Pavelski. Takes the feed. Stopped by the goaltender.
Quick hands. Not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
Team USA's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Carries it in. USA's got it behind the net. Here's a short pass to Oshie. Handles a sweet feed. Stopped by the goaltender.
Really good save. Control the rebound. Get it into the corner where you can reestablish yourself.
Oh, wide of the net.
Wants to get rid of it quickly. Wants to get it to the net before the goalie's ready. Unfortunately, he just misses wide.
Puck grabbed by Oshie. Takes the bank feed. Denies him in front. Team USA's been an impressive club to watch tonight, especially offensively, as they lead big here late in the second. Kessler's won the draw here in the offensive zone. That one's off the blocker. Excellent stick work on the play. Carries it across the line. Takes a wrist shot. Big save. On the attack along the boards. Moves the puck and makes the save. USA's got the puck along the wall. Quick pass to Kane. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. Team USA's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. Matthews wins it in the neutral zone. Here they are on the attack. Sends it across. Big time stick save.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Now a quick pass to Kane. Kane's got it in the offensive zone. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes a shot. Makes the save, and he got a blocker on it. USA's been dominating at all ends of the ice, especially offensively here late in the second. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. And now he tries to get it across to Kessel. And he loses possession of the puck after trying to make one too many moves.
He looks like he's got a step, and then the puck just trickles off his stick. Now he's got to hunt it back down.
Gets it over to Van Riemsdyk. Moves it to Van Riemsdyk. And it's a quick pass to Kessel. And a strong defensive effort to get in front of that. Comes up with the stick save. Officials blowing the play dead. We've got a penalty on the way here. We got a minor penalty coming up here on this one.
James. I mean, this call was going to be made. You could see the play develop, and now they're going to have to serve 2 minutes.
Power play unit going back to work.
Oh, here's another power play, James. They haven't been very good so far tonight. Nothing to show for their previous attempts. So now you have to get back to it, adjust, and re-attack on this man advantage.
Gets it out of his own end. Nice pass. Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Takes the feed. Nearing the 40-minute mark of the game. Slides the cross-ice pass. Solid body contact. Oh, what a stop.
That's a good save there, James. It looks rather simple, but he gets the puck into the corner. No danger.
Into the corner now. And he slides it quickly to Kessler. Scooped up along the wall by Wheeler. Moves it quickly over to Kessler. And the puck skips off the glove. Gives it right back. Receives the pass. Gets a piece of it with the glove. And that'll do it for period number 2.
It's time to support those around us with our monthly food drive. Bring 3 non-perishable food items, and you can receive a free team poster.
Big third period still to come. We'll get ready for it. Hope you'll join us. Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. Team USA's shorthanded unit has done a solid job to this point. Just a few more seconds to spare as they win the draw. Quick feed to McDonough. And the officials are calling a delayed penalty here. It looks like a trip. Here comes the call from the official. Caught him just as he was picking up speed, and he's going to pay for it with the trip.
Oh, you're spinning with him. You're trying to get your stick into the puck lane, and you end up tripping him up.
And they'll roll the power play unit right back out.
They've zipped the puck around pretty nicely on their previous power plays, and they've been rewarded for their fine work. The key is to stay...
And that goes off the iron and stays out. Grabbed along the boards by Pavelski. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Into the offensive zone. Kane's got it along the wing. Takes a shot. Denies him on the play. Save made by the goalie. Slides the puck down low.
Whoa.
He scores!
Add that power play goal to the earlier one. They've really done well with the extra man here. didn't waste any time. If he would have stopped that puck, the goalie would have had time to readjust. As it is, it's in the net.
And they're going to mix it up between the pipes here.
I would say there's some relief here. He's been ventilated tonight. Now he gets to go take a break.
USA's all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
Centering pass! And that's broken up with a stick in front. Here's a short pass to McDonough. Goudreau's got it across the line. Tries to dangle and the puck skips away.
Goudreau's tendency is to shoot the puck. This time he overhandles it and loses it.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Team USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Canes gaining momentum. With possession along the wall. Here he is, shot right in front. Comes up clutch with the pad save. Moves the puck into the attacking area. And that one's broken up with the steal. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play. USA's not stopped being on the body since the beginning of this period. They are crashing into every guy they can. They've now got the lead.
USA's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Tried to make a move, and the puck hops away. Sends the pass over. Slides the puck over. Moves the puck along the half wall. Wrister denied by the blocker.
He was telling me this morning he worked on this in practice this week, making sure the puck goes to the corner and doesn't stay in the net.
Takes that pass back at the point. Knocked away. Sends a pass over. And we got another stoppage in play for, guess what? Yeah, another penalty being called here. Officials calling tripping here on this one.
This was the penalty I think when I took, I was most angry at myself because you're not trying to do it, and then all of a sudden you see the guy go down and you're just like, ah, man, here I go.
There's the result. Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
Oh, this power play's been outstanding. What a terrific percentage they've run at tonight. They've been confident, they've moved the puck crisply, and they've been really successful.
Team USA's been a dominant force offensively. Plenty of quality scoring opportunities, and they lead it big time early in the third. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. And that goes off course wide.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
Shot! Oh, just missed!
James, this really frustrates a player. You work so hard to get into this position, and you just miss the net.
This coming from a guy who's got 400-plus Braves, right? Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Bufflin's got it against the boards. Takes a shot, locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one.
Team USA's increased their lead as they've increased their body contact. They look like they've taken the heart away from their opposition.
USA's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Right in front with the shot! Great defensive stick work on the play. And he comes up with it. Sends it down low. Shot! Big stop by the keeper. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
What a great read breaking up the pass.
They don't...
Here he is. He's got a step. Oh, what a chance!
Oh, he's got to bury that. In his own mind, he's going to kick himself for missing that.
Team Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Team USA's got it now. Oh, and he misses an opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it on the net. Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. Tough to complain about this call holding.
As soon as you slip out of position, you've got two choices. Let him go or try and slow him down. He reached out and grabbed him and gets called.
Face off and another opportunity to take a look at the man advantage unit here.
Lots of times you practice the power play, it looks great in practice, then you get it into the game and it looks terrible. That's not been the case. They've been outstanding with the man advantage tonight.
Couldn't catch up to that pass. Handles the puck. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. USA's got the puck inside the defensive zone. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Stopped by the goaltender. Team USA's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Dumps it in. USA's got the puck along the boards. Besser's got it along the boards. Sends it over. Intercepts it in the neutral zone. Fires it into the offensive corner. Takes the feed from the left side. Along the half wall with the puck. And there's the save. Team USA is showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Penalty has expired, both sides back to even strength.
Well, they got through that one. Their penalty killing has just been average tonight, but they'll take that one and put it in the good column.
Here's a chance right in the slot. USA's got the puck in their own end. Pavelski swooping in on the attack. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Handles it along the blue line. Takes the pass. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. Gets a glove on it to make the save. Team USA's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Quick feed down low. Takes the feed. Quick pass to Suter. Picked up along the wall by Oshie. Oshie's got the puck and tries to make a diagonal pass to Kessler. Into the corner. With the stop. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of the puck. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Gets the puck in deep. USA's got a hold of it along the wall. And now he angles it across to Oshie. Here's a chance. Slides it across. Kazakhstan's got the puck. Takes it across the blue line. From the opposite point. Moves it around along the half wall. Moves it to Suter. Suter's going to play it against the half wall. Here's a chance right in front. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And the puck skips away after a nice defensive deflection. Sends it in on the attack. USA's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Besser's got it into offensive territory. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. Moves the puck. Gets the puck over to Matthews. They've got numbers. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Another stop by the goaltender. Denies him.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle. Team USA's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Sends the pass down low. Good hit on the play. That's a solid check on the play. Solid hit on that play. Right in front. Shot, and that one's turned away. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Sent into the offensive zone. And now he moves it to Carlson. Passes on over to Goudreau. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. And he makes the save. Nice pass. Moves it quickly over to Goudreau. Comes up with the stop. Goudreau's got the puck along the wing. Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. From the left side, takes it at center. USA's got control of it now from their own end. And we've got a 2-on-1. Gets a glove on it to make the save.
Right from the most dangerous area on the ice, the goalie flashes the glove. That's an arrogant stop. Carlson's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
Team USA's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Up along the wing. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. Van Riemsdyk's got the puck through the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. And that one's broken up. Great block there. USA's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. Kessler's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Came up with a big stop on that last opportunity. He got hammered.
Yeah, did he ever. Now he's got to go pick up his stick. Pretty tough to play the rest of the game without one of those.
Denied by the goaltender. And the puck's booted away. And some fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat.
No need to be risky with the puck when your team's winning the game.
Lets it go. He scores. There's their second of the night.
I guess they can look at this and say, hey, we did a couple of good things. Way too late, but it's something for them to try and build on. There wasn't much room there, but that's a snappy release. It beats the goalie low on the glove side.
Team Kazakhstan's back at center ice. They have a long way to go still here, though, Ray.
Yeah, get your scorers out there, James. Don't worry about the defensive end of the ice. You need goals.
Puck is dropped and play resumes.
Kazakhstan goal scored by number 12. Assisted
Over the line they come.
time of the goal, 16
Centering pass. Puts it on net. Oh, the goalie catches a break there. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Pacioretty's got it in the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Puts it up front, and that's broken up. With possession along the wall. Centering pass. Misses the net.
You're going to go back and kick yourself for that one because he wants that on the net. He doesn't miss it by much.
Team USA's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Eichel's won a big draw on their own end. Suter's picking up steam. Takes the feed. Besser's got it along the wing. And that's broken up with a stick in front. On the doorstep, huge steal at his own end. Here they come on the attack. Here's an odd man rush. Lets it go. Big time stop there. Quick feed to Suter. Moves the puck along the half wall. Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Nearing the final minute of the third.
1 minute left in the third period.
Kazakhstan's got it from behind the net. And some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. Gives them nothing in front. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. And now it's over to Goudreau. Takes a shot, denied by the goaltender. USA USA's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Folks playing it along the line. Wrist one in front. Huge stick save by the goaltender. Team USA's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Pass it up ahead, and that's taken by the defense. Carries it in. Receives the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes a shot, and that's broken up. Here's an offensive chance. Hammers him.
Do up your chin strap. That is a solid hit.
And it is all over with this one. Ray, you look at the numbers, and in this case, the numbers don't lie. The better team won this one.
This is one easily you can marry your eye test to the numbers test and say, yeah, they both work. That team deserved to win.
So the analytics crew and the hockey crew could actually see eye to eye on this one.
They could actually get along.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. We'll see you next time we drop the puck.
Yo, 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 yo.